Dimela, welcome back to Setswana class. I don't know how we call snow in Setswana, and that is probably because it doesn't snow in that part of the world. So it makes sense that we won't have the word for it. But the only word I can come up with, I don't know, many Botswana will correct me. I know a lot of people who speak Setswana watch this channel. So there are two words that come to my mind that I think will align. I have kapoko. Kapoko. And then I think muani. Yeah, I don't know if all this is official. Anyway, I think that's the Setswana. Like, you won't have to say snow in Setswana, so I guess that one is not as important as it is. But interestingly, somebody built an igloo using sticks like this. So this will be like a traditional house for the Khoisan. They never had to stay in a place where it's snowy, but I feel like if this place is covered in snow, it's gonna turn into like an igloo. So we have that in Setswana, an igloo, or a house that is built like this. Should I call this a house? I think it is. So I think it's just like something that has been heaped on the ground, direct translation. So there we go. Igloo in Setswana is mohuafatse.